Question 96. On a coordinate system, the line segment joining the points 6, 8 and 12, 10 has the same midpoint as the line segment joining the points 8, 11 and x, 7. What is the value of x? So the midpoint of the line segment that starts here and ends here is the same as the midpoint of the line segment that starts here and ends at this point. So the first thing we should do is find out what the midpoint is, and we could use these 2 points. The midpoint of 2 points on a coordinate system is simply the average of the x values. That'll give us the x coordinate, and the average of the y values will give us the y coordinate of the midpoint. So let's find out what that midpoint is. So we have 6 plus 12 divided by 2. So that's 18 divided by 2, which is 9. Okay, so that's the x coordinate for the midpoint. Now we'll find the y coordinate. So that's going to be the average of 8 and 10. So 8 plus 10 divided by 2, again, is 18 divided by 2, and that's 9. So the midpoint is 9, 9. 9 is the x coordinate, and then 9 again is the y coordinate. So now let's take a look at the midpoint of these. Okay, I'm going to start with the y's this time just to check to make sure it works out. So 11 plus 7 divided by 2 should be 9 if they have the same midpoint. So we see that 11 plus 7 is 18 divided by 2, and we have 9. So that does work out. Okay, so now we look at here and we see that for these 2 points, the 2 x coordinates, the average should be 9 as well. So we could write down the average formula with 8 plus x divided by 2, and we know that that should equal 9. So right now what we're going to do is solve for x. Okay, we have this entire numerator divided by 2 equals 9. So in order to isolate the x, first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 2 to cancel this out. So do times 2 times 2. These cancel. I have 8 plus x equals 18. Okay, and the last step to get x by itself will be to subtract 8. And we get that x equals 10. So the correct choice would be K, 10.